Mastering Google Docs, a collaborative editing powerhouse. Hello language learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into one of the most popular collaborative editing tools, Google Docs. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how Google Docs can boost your English reading, writing, and proofreading skills. So, let's get started. Google Docs is a free, web-based application that allows users to create, edit, and store documents online. The files can be accessed from any computer with an internet connection and a full-featured web browser. What's even more fascinating is the real-time collaborative feature. Multiple users can work on the same document simultaneously, making it an ideal tool for group projects, peer reviews, and much more. 1. Real-time feedback. While working on a document, your peers or teachers can leave instant comments, suggestions, or corrections. This provides immediate feedback, essential for language learning. 2. Version history. Made a mistake or want to see your progress over time? Google Docs has a version history feature that lets you view past versions of the document. This is especially helpful to track improvements in your writing. 3. Integrated dictionary. Unsure about a word? Right-click and choose Define to get an instant definition without leaving the document. 1. Sharing and permissions. Share your document with classmates, teachers, or friends. Decide if they can edit, comment, or just view the document. 2. Chat and comment. Engage in real-time discussions using the built-in chat or leave comments for asynchronous communications. 3. Suggested edits. Instead of directly editing a document, users can suggest edits. This feature shows the suggested changes in a different color, making it easy to spot and review suggestions. Proofreading is a critical step in the writing process, especially for language learners. Google Docs offers built-in tools to make this easier. 1. Spell check. Underlined red squiggles indicate possible spelling errors. Right-click on the word to see suggestions. 2. Grammar check. Google Docs also helps identify potential grammatical errors with blue underlines. This is incredibly helpful for those looking to perfect their English syntax and structure. There you have it. With Google Docs, not only do you have a powerful writing tool at your fingertips, but also a fantastic collaborative platform to enhance your English reading, writing, and proofreading skills. We hope this video has shed light on the potential of Google Docs in your language learning journey. Happy writing and see you next time.